Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Our today's festive recipe is a halwai style rasgulle at home with all the tips and tricks. So let's start. Take 1 liter of cow milk. Cow milk is very essential for making the rasgulla. Heat it and bring it to boil. Add a 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or vinegar for making a paneer or chena from it. After adding a lemon juice, turn off the flame and stir it continuously so that water and chena will get separated from each other. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. Now to strain out the water, take a strainer and a cotton cloth on a pot and strain the processed milk in it. Now add a normal water so that the flavor of lemon get removed from it. Now squeeze it so that all the water will remove from it. Now hang it or keep a pressure on it for 20 to 30 minutes so that if the little moisture is present, it will also get removed. Now after 30 minutes, you can see that water get completely removed from it. Now take it out in a plate and scramble it. Now add just 1 teaspoon of maida for a binding and with the help of pan knead it continuously for 7 to 8 minutes. This process is very important, otherwise if kneading is not done properly, the rasgulle may break while boiling. Now you can see it is well combined. Take out a small portion and make a roundel of it. Make sure the size of ball is small because it will increase more than double of its size after boiling. There should not be any cracks in the ball. Now from 1 liter of cow milk, 16 to 17 rasgulle can be made. And here we go, our rasgulla balls are ready. Now to make a sugar syrup, take 5 cup of water in a large pan. Add 1 cup of sugar. Add 2 elaichi or green cardamom. Heat Heat it on a medium flame just till the sugar gets dissolved completely. Do not make a very thick chachni, just dissolve the sugar into the water. Now add this rasgulle ball one by one in it. Cover it and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn aside. You can see how much they are increased in their size. Now cover it and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Now after 4 minutes, to check whether they are cooked perfectly or not, take one rasgulla and drop it in a glass full of water. If it settles down at the bottom of the glass, it means it is cooked perfect. Now turn off the flame. In another bowl, take an icy water, or you can directly use ice cube and add the boiled rasgulle directly into it to stop the process of cooking. Otherwise, it will get harder. Now rest it for 4 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, take out some sugar syrup in a bowl and refrigerate it for 4 to 5 minutes so that it will cool down fastly. You can add a rose or kevda essence at this time. Now squeeze the water from the ball and add it into the sugar syrup which we have refrigerated. At this stage, you can reshape these balls. If you feel it is settling, don't worry about the size, because after adding it into the sugar syrup, it will soak all the syrup and become larger in size. Keep it in refrigerator for 5 to 6 hours at least before serve. Keep the remaining sugar syrup in a refrigerator so that after 5 to 6 hours, if the rasgulla soak all the syrup, you can add it light. So here we go, our rasgulla are ready. It is just looking like a halwa style. So at this festive season, give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!